What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then my name is Brianna, but you can call me Bree. And today's video is going to be us restoring our Mako. So we left our boat at a friend's house for 3 months while we were moving houses, and this is what's happened to it. This used to be a really clean boat. I put a GoPro right there and it's going to record us doing a time lapse of how we clean up the boat. There was a tree at our friend's house and it had a bunch of little flowers that are everywhere on the boat. And these black spots, I'm not sure what they are. But that GoPro is recording and you guys are going to watch us restore our boat. Really quick, I'm going to give you guys a closer look at how much damage the boat actually has. The reason we had to leave it at a friend's house is because when we were moving, we didn't have a place to stay for a few weeks, and our friends Celia and Ernestico, my aunt and uncle, let us stay at their house for a while, and then our friend Julito offered to keep our boat in his driveway. But the piece of land next to his driveway has a 60-foot pine tree with all those little flowers that are on the boat right now. So they're going to be really hard to clean up, but look how clogged it is right there. The only two things that stayed intact were the two motors because they both had covers on them. They're like we never left. Okay, so this is how it looks like after only one pass with no soap or anything, just water and the brush. It got a lot lighter. The seat's kind of cleared up, but everything else still has these black spots, which we're going to take off with Clorox now. Mommy and I are with the brushes, Bobby has the hose, and Louie's in the back clearing out the tank. Now we're starting pass number 2. So guys, after our second pass with Clorox, it already looks so white. We're not going to be finished today, but all the spots are gone. Everything is white, and we're just finishing up the last touches in the bathroom. Okay guys, I came inside really quick to get something to film with because my phone died, and we're turning on the motors to flush the water out. Coco, say hi. Hello. He said hi. He wants to go outside.
How's the bow again?
Back in business.
Back in business. How's the bow again?
Ready for going fishing.
Mom, thank you. Good job.
Come here. Okay guys, I came to the garage real quick to say bye because we're gonna head inside. We're done. We do have like 5 coolers that need to be washed, but before we go, I want to give a shout out to my aunt and uncle, my tia and tío, Celia and Estico, for letting us stay at their house while we were moving, as they were the first person to lend us a helping hand. And to our friend Julito, because he kept our boat safe the whole time and we had nowhere to park him, so he was a huge help. That's it for today's video. We're gonna finish cleaning those coolers and then we're gonna head inside. But if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell because we're gonna be posting videos very, very often. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, I know I just finished the video, but really quick, I just want to tell you guys that starting this weekend, I'm going to be posting videos every weekend of music for doing your homework, or music if you want to go to sleep and be listening to music the whole night, or music for if you're working at your house or in the garden or outside or whatever it is you're doing. I'm going to start posting long 8 to 10 hour videos of relaxing music that you can use. If you like that type of music, then starting this weekend, make sure to check out the channel because I'll be posting some, and if you like it, then please tell me in the comments. Also, I didn't get to show you guys Coco in the outro of this video, so I'm going to show him to you now. He's right here.